Alright, today is March 7th and that's Friday. Yeah, and it's about 11:45 a.m. and I'm at Island Manapua Factory. Right. Alright, so today I figure I'll have some Manapua and feel the goodies. See what they got. Alright? Let's take a look. Alright, so I came in. Hey, look at that. Here's their menu right here. Oh, okay, thank you. So, taking a shot. Okay. Hi. So I placed an order for steamed char siu. Huh? Oh, Peking duck.
Yeah, that one
Okay.
really popular.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is
How much is that?
15.95.
Oh, okay.
You can buy a piece to try.
One piece, how much?
One piece is 4.35.
4.35.
$4.
Okay.
Give everything. I can make.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will try that. Try squeeze that in. Okay, and then they got all these other ones too. And so I got pork hash, half moon, shrimp dump. Okay, so and then Peking duck. Right. Okay. Then steamed manapua. Wow. Okay, quite a bit. So they also have plate lunch. Wow, look at that. And oh, they got cookies. Look. Alright. Oh, waiting for my Peking duck. Alright, so kind of came inside. It's a small area, but they got a big kitchen in the back. So definitely a factory. Wow, look at that. Okay. So. Alright. So I got my food. Wow, there's a half moon Peking duck. Oh, this is the Peking duck, yeah? And then Manapua char siu and rice cake. Wow. Okay, I ended up getting too much already. But first thing I'm gonna do is half moon pork hash. Oh, this is so good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here's the half moon. Wow, this is really good. And then of course I'm going to try Peking duck. Right, there's a part going off. Peking duck. Wow. Good meat. Mm-hmm. Oh, mustard sauce. Okay, I guess I didn't need it. Yeah, tasted good. And then I got the char siu manapua left and the rice cake. Hmm? Ah, so this is my lunch for the day. Yeah, I got the char siu right there. bun is moist, and there's just enough pork, right? The right amount. Alright, that's rice cake. Yeah, compared to Chinatown, a lot smaller. And Chinatown is now, they raised the price $2. Over here it's $2.50. Still, rice cake. Yeah, I remember when I was growing up, I ate so much rice cake. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it is good. Wow. So, Island Manapua Factory. Turned out to be great. Good food. Good Manapua. Alright, thank you for watching.